Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi A1 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if your device is stuck for some unknown reason and you want to force the restart, or all you have to do is to tap on power button and hold it. Keep holding. And once you feel the vibration and also see the Android and Mi logo, you can release the button, and then within just a couple of seconds your device will be rebooted and you will be able to use it again in a normal way. And that's it. Smoothly unlock the device and you can use it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.